Hi, happy to be connected today. These videos I'm creating for my students. What you see now is one of my students' project, and he has created the plan and the 3D plan. One of my friend asked me how to create this 3D view, so I'm creating this video for him too. Okay, so to create a 3D floor plan, you should go to 3D view. You will be seeing the whole 3D model. If you want to see the 3D model floor by floor, then you can check section box here, and you can reduce the height to your floor level. Okay, this way you can create your floor plan, and you can hide this section box. And you have one more option. I'm going to remove the section box now. I'm removing section box, and here if you see in the view cube in the right side bottom, you can see context menu. If you click here, you can find orient to view option. In here, if you select floor plan, and if you select floor plan level 1, you can see the section box automatically updating to floor plan level 1 view range. And here you can see the doors are visible, windows are visible here. If you want to reduce the height of the section box, then you can make the section box visible. I'm clicking reveal hidden elements here in the bottom. I'm just clicking here this option, and I'm selecting the section box. For now I'm going to unhide category. Now I can select the section box and reduce height. Now this is going to be more clear. Okay, so now I can hide this back. I'm right clicking hide in view by category, and this view now you can rotate. If you want to lock the view, then here in the bottom you can see unlocked 3D view. If you click this button, this will ask to save orientation and lock view and give a name. Let's say 3D plan, and I'm giving OK. Now you can see I can't rotate. I'm trying to rotate, but I can't rotate now. So that's how you create a 3D plan. And if you want to add any text, or if you want to give any dimension, you can give it here. For example, if I go to annotate and I'm adding a text with the leader, let's write here bedroom. I'm writing it here. The same way you can add a tag also. Now you can add this 3D view into your sheet. I'm going to the same floor plan, and I'm dragging the same 3D plan. Okay, I can drag it here and remove the title. No title now. Then you can add. Here you can see the bottom floor is visible here. Here it is not visible because the section box not covering the floor. Again, you can switch on the section box, select the section box and drag this down, and close reveal hidden elements. Now you can see both the views are looking similar. Okay, so this video I'm creating for my friend. Okay, I hope this will be useful for my future students. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.